A flourishing garden is a source of joy and pride for any gardener, but the journey to achieve it can be fraught with challenges, particularly when dealing with common pests and diseases. These unwelcome visitors can wreak havoc on plants, ruining months of hard work and dedication. However, with a proactive approach and the right knowledge, you can effectively manage and control garden pests and diseases, ensuring your plants stay healthy and vibrant. In this guide, we'll explore some practical and eco-friendly methods to tackle these common issues. Identifying common garden pests. Aphids. These tiny, soft-bodied insects feed on plant sap, causing wilting and distorted growth. Look for clusters of green, black, or brown insects on the undersides of leaves. Slugs and snails. Slime trails and irregular holes in leaves are telltale signs of these nocturnal pests. Caterpillars. These voracious feeders chew on leaves, often leaving large holes behind. Look for droppings, frass, near damaged foliage. Whiteflies. Small, white insects that fly away in a cloud when disturbed, and they typically suck plant juices, leading to stunted growth. Spider mites. Tiny arachnids that thrive in dry conditions and spin fine webs on plants, causing leaves to become stippled and discolored. Natural pest control methods. Attract beneficial insects. Encourage ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps, which are natural predators of many common pests, by planting nectar-rich flowers like marigolds, lavender, and alyssum. Handpicking. Regularly inspect your plants, and manually remove pests like caterpillars and slugs. Drop them into a bucket of soapy water to eliminate them. Neem oil. A natural insecticide, neem oil disrupts the life cycle of pests and prevents them from laying eggs. Dilute it with water and spray on affected plants. Garlic and chili spray. Blend garlic and chili peppers with water, strain the mixture, and spray on plants to deter pests. Diatomaceous earth. This natural powder is abrasive to insects but harmless to humans and pets. Dust it on plant leaves to create a barrier against crawling pests. Common garden diseases and treatments. Powdery mildew. A fungal disease that appears as white, powdery spots on leaves. Improve air circulation and avoid overhead watering. Use a baking soda and water spray to prevent its spread. Blight. A bacterial or fungal disease causing wilting and discoloration of leaves. Remove and destroy affected plant parts, and avoid overhead watering. Rust. Identified by orange or rusty-colored spots on leaves. Remove infected leaves and avoid overhead watering. Use a fungicidal spray to prevent further spread. Root rot. Fungal disease that causes roots to decay due to excessive moisture. Improve soil drainage and avoid overwatering. Use beneficial nematodes to combat soil-borne pathogens. Prevention and maintenance. Crop rotation. Avoid planting the same crops in the same spot every year, as this can help disrupt pest and disease life cycles. Healthy soil. Enrich your soil with compost to promote plant health and resilience to pests and diseases. Watering. Water plants at the base to prevent fungal issues and give them the chance to establish deep root systems. Pruning. Regularly prune to remove diseased or damaged plant parts, increasing air circulation and reducing opportunities for pests and diseases to take hold. Dealing with common garden pests and diseases requires attentiveness, a proactive mindset, and a commitment to maintaining a healthy garden environment. By implementing the natural control methods mentioned and practicing prevention and maintenance strategies, you can safeguard your garden and ensure that your plants thrive throughout the growing season. Remember that patience and persistence are key, and as you gain experience, you'll become better equipped to protect your green haven from any future challenges. Happy gardening!